Good day guys, today I'm going to show you the 6 trigonometric functions of quadrantal angles. Later on I'm going to show you how I have found these values that I'm going to write. Computing with a calculator, sine 0 degrees is 0, 90 degrees is 1, 180 degrees is 0, and 270 degrees is negative 1. While cosine 0 degrees is 1, 0, for 90 degrees, negative 1, and 0. I'm gonna keep writing what I found in the calculator. There are a lot of undefineds, especially the other three, which are the reciprocals. The first three. There we go. If we can find those in calculator, pretty sure we can find that too using the unit circle. Using the unit circle, pardon for the freehand, assuming that it is the center of the circle is at the origin, sine refers to y, right, because of the right triangle. So when sine is referring to the y-axis, cosine refers to the x-axis. And the value of sine and cosine depends on which quadrantal angle you're going to find the 6 trigonometric functions. In 0 degrees, when you say 0 degrees, sine 0 degrees, the y-axis didn't intersect anything on the x-axis, meaning that the point that will be created on the unit circle will only pass the x-axis. So we're going to point there and plot what we found on the calculator, cosine, which is 1. We'll find 1, 0. Moving on to the other side, which only intersected the x-axis, meaning the left side of a number line is the negative when this is 0, right? So this will be negative 1, 0. You get the idea, right? Now the point at the top, it didn't intersect the x-axis, so it will only have a y value like 0, 1, using the cosine theta, sine theta point, and the bottom part of the circle will have the point 0, negative 1. Now for you to find the tangent of theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. Now depending on the right triangle we've created, on whose vertex is at the origin, O is the y-axis and A is the x-axis. Y-axis is your sine theta. And x cosine theta. It's just substitution method. That's why we derived that tan theta is equals to sine theta over cosine theta. Using that formula, we will able to find the values of tangent of 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. Now to find the other three, you just got to find the reciprocal of its reversal trigonometric function. Cosecant's reversal trigonometric function is sine, right? So it will be cosecant theta is equals to 1 over sine theta. Well, when you found if sine 0 degrees is 0, this will become 0 and it will be 1 over 0, which results to undefined. Going back to the table, we have found a lot of undefineds because there are also a lot of zeros in the function. And furthermore, secant's counterpart is cosine. That's why the reciprocal is 1 over cosine theta. And in order to find that, if we're going to substitute cosine 0 degrees, cosine 0 degrees is 1, so we're going to find is 1. And lastly, the cotangent theta is equals to the reciprocal of tangent theta. Earlier I've discussed how to get tangent theta. If you can remember, we replace tangent theta with sine theta over cosine theta. And because we're going to find for the cotangent theta, we're going to get the reciprocal, which is cosine theta over sine theta. And to get a value of it using the 0 degrees, cosine 0 degrees is 1 and sine degrees is 0. So it will have a value of undefined. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this. And thank you. And I hope you enjoyed my video.